Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, kick the boy kicks the ball. Second line, sleep the baby is sleeping. Third line, run he runs quickly. Fourth line, go Ram often goes to the gym. Fifth line, work I drive to work every morning. Sixth line, good Shonu is a good boy. Seventh line, watch we watched TV last night. Eighth line, read I love to read books. Ninth line, chair this is a chair. Tenth line, table I have a table. 11th line, pen I want to buy a pen. 12th line, India is my country. 13th line, window this house has no windows. 14th line, Agra she lives in Agra. 15th line, team my team is very strong. 16th line, gold I have 20 gram gold. 17th line, apple I eat an apple daily. 18th line, when we go to school by when. 19th line, train this train arrives in time. 29, goat I have got a goat. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.